Hey everyone, so the 1st of December I attended Rails Girls, which is an amazing tech conference and like hands-on workshop where women can learn Ruby on Rails for free. First time attending this conference, and I can say that it was the best tech conference I've attended, I think, literally. So the conference kicked off with a lot of amazing speeches from really influential people. And the best one, I think, to start off with was a speech from the head engineer at Deliveroo, because the event was hosted at Deliveroo, which was amazing seeing the offices. And I want to insert some pictures of what the offices look like. And how welcoming and how engaging they were, and how great it was to be in like an amazing modern startup work environment. The company was founded in 2013, so they're technically still a startup because they've been around for 5 years, but actually they've gone more into a corporate kind of structure. About engineering at Deliveroo was amazing because she really made it so clear to us how important it is to maintain the app. Also issues that they have regarding payments, because they operate in so many different marketplaces that currency changes and differences in currency across these marketplaces is really important. And we also heard about how Deliveroo was founded and the reasons for that, and the speed and efficiency and innovation that we require in a tech-based world. So it was really fascinating, and I'll insert a short clip of her speaking.
The job is to make our kind of payments much more efficient. So we have 30 marketplaces, which is multiple currencies, and the direct payments team look after working